guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, how are you? I hope everyone's okay. I just got home from a Zion scrapbook retreat, and what I'm going to share with you today are the layouts that I created. I created about 12 one-page layouts, and let me show you and let you know what the papers that I used for them. I did use the Savor the Moment from Paper House. This actually is an older kit. And then we have, I also used Paper House's Discover, and this covered London, Paris, and if I'm not mistaken, and this paper also has Italy. And then I also used Vintage Memories. This is a very fun pack or paper pad. And then finally, I think this is my favorite that I used a lot of there. It's Letters from Home from DCW. What I love about this is it has these papers that are cutouts. So I did use some of this in a couple of layouts. So I also used miscellaneous stickers and other embellishments from Go See Explore of Echo Park. I also use their kits here. I'm sorry I don't have the covers anymore of the kits for the Echo Park's Go See Explore because I threw it out during the crop. I also used Getaway from Echo Park, and that's again another kit. I also used a boarding pass from it's a kit that I used by Photoplay. And finally, I also used Transatlantic Travel by Cardabella, and that is also a kit. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the layouts that I finished this weekend. Hey guys, so I'm back. So like I said, I have 12 layouts that I created, and here they are. The first one is actually, let me give you a background on this. This is actually 3 years behind. My husband and I celebrated our 25th, so we went to London and Paris. So this is just the London side of it. Here's my layout for Westminster Abbey. I used dies to cut this. Of course, this is a stickers. And then I forgot what the stickers are called for and then these are ephemeras from one of the kits I mentioned before. And also this actually is a sticker, so if you have any like a scallop punch, you could also replicate this that way. So that's the first one. The second one is, remember that paper that I told you about, Letters from Home? I am so in love with these papers. Anyway, so what I basically just did is just layer it behind a beige paper with prints. And then I just cut this out from one of the brackets, large brackets accessories. I'm sorry, it's the brackets accessories, not the large bracket accessories. And then of course, another sticker that I just put there. That's my husband and that's me. I know, most of these pictures are selfies, if you will notice. So that's two. And then of course, we can't pass the London Eye because we have to go there. Again, this time I kind of went the opposite on the Letters from Home. I took the black print, and this is kind of, if you're here, I don't know if the camera is picking it, it's kind of pink, and the paper is kind of pink. And then of course, this is from the scallop, from the Kiwi Lane scallop template. And I just layered it with this paper. I think this one came from, well, it came from one of those pads that I had, and same thing with this, an ephemera and a sticker. Okay, remember that Savor kit? That's what I used with this. And then this is all Savor kit. I only had, I had some scraps from earlier, and I only had them for 6 inches. So this is what I did to mimic the scallop things at the bottom here. Again, I use a scallop border from Kiwi Lane, and this is just a sticker that came with the and like this one too, that came with the kit. And I just cut this out. from Savor the Moment. There's a paper that says Savor the Moment. And that's what I did. So that's 5th. Okay, so this one I wasn't sure what to title this because I was going, emblems, what are they? So, and I know this is a statue, of course, it's not an emblem, but I figured, let me just put emblems here. I was getting tired. This is like towards the end of the day. The crop we came in on Sunday late afternoon, and then that was Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, and then we left very early. I think it was 9 o'clock in the morning, and I just got here at home. So here I am sharing it with you. So this is the templates that I used here is the scallop border, and then this is of course the large bracket border, and I just put them in the middle and then just framed it this way. So this is a miscellaneous stickers. I got this from, I think this is a Recollections brand. So that's 6. This one was the following morning. I think this was yesterday morning. So I was a little bit fresher. And then, I don't know, I don't think you can see it, but let me bring it forward to you guys. This is a washi tape. This is a Recollections brand washi tape. And then this paper here came from that transatlantic paper, I think. And then same thing with this one. And then these are miscellaneous stickers. And I think this is a Jolie sticker if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, Buckingham Palace. And then I wasn't sure if this is changing of the guard, so I just played it safe and put Queen's Guard. Anyway, so we saw this. Our hotel was just like maybe a block away from Buckingham Palace, so we were able to walk there, and it was really, really cool. I think my husband and I would like to go back, so hopefully next year or the year after, maybe we will go back. Maybe our 30th year, maybe. Yeah, that'll be our 30th year. So anyway, here we go, the Queen's Guard. This is the hotel we stayed at, Rubens at the Palace. This is a really nice hotel. The customer service in this hotel is by far the best that I've experienced. So yeah, double thumbs up for this hotel. And I'm really sorry for the really, really crappy pictures out here. Well, look at where the sun was. It was like really bad picture. But I figured, this is the only picture I took of the outside of the hotel, so I went ahead and scrapped it. That way, we'll remember it later. Rubens at the Palace, guys. Then we went to Tower of London. We took the hop on, hop off, and that was the easiest way to travel around to the sites, the different sites in London. We did not go and get we didn't do the touristy, tour kind of stuff. We just went hop on, hop off, and that was the easiest thing ever. So the Tower of London, and then this is from that paper, Discover paper, and then all this are from these two here I think are from, I want to say the Recollections brand, but I'm not 100% sure. And then a washi tape over here. So again, that's my husband feeling happy. And then finally, or not yet, there's 2 more, London Bridge. So I went ahead and made this layout of London Bridge. And the papers were from the transatlantic. The papers are all mixed. So the pads that I showed you earlier are the papers that I use. I just went through the pads and looked at what would go well with each one of this. And then the miscellaneous stickers that I found at Michael's. So there you go, London Bridge. And then I kind of cheated here because this paper is already there in that Discover pad. So I just went ahead and took it because of Big Dan. And then I just went ahead and, again, this is a stickers again. And then I just placed them like this. I kind of copied, I want to say London Bridge. See, it's kind of similar if you look at them. But I kind of did it the other way. So yeah, this was late Tuesday night, so I was getting a little tired at this point. Then this was the layout I finished yesterday. So I figured, let's make this a fun one, because most of the ones that I created were like really, kind of dark color, so I wanted something bright. So here you go. I brighten it up. White cardstock and all the bright papers that I can find in those kits that I mentioned earlier. Again, miscellaneous stickers, and I just used a 2-inch punch just to layer the stickers on. And then of course this is the I forget what this template is called. I'll put it down here as soon as I find out. And of course this is the tiny bracket from one of the tiny bracket templates. And there you go, my husband and I don't know what he's trying to do here. He's trying to, I don't know, yell at me, eat me up, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, you guys, I hope you had fun as much as I had fun during the retreat. Oh my gosh, Zion was so relaxing. I did not want to come home. But anyway, I'm back to reality, and there you go, guys. I hope I inspired you. And again, you are welcome to scraplift any of the layouts that I have shown you. Thank you again for watching, and please, if you haven't yet, subscribe. And for those of you who are looking for Kiwi Lane products, I have my link down below, so please don't hesitate to go ahead and click on it and shop. Anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. Subscribe, make a comment down below if you love my or if you even like my layouts. And yeah, that's it. See you guys later. Bye.